Asuntoskeittiö Lappeenrannan Pikisaarenkatu. Pikisaarenkatu 15 Lappeenranta. Pikisaari Lappeenranta. Yeah.
Oh.
Indoors.
Yeah.
Yuck.
No wind.
Yeah.
Just the...
What big?
So, or shall indoors.
Yeah.
Rare. In 1998, B1 and E2174.
Otis F2000.
Yeah.
That's heavy though.
This is the cheapest way
Yeah.
to make a lift with indoors.
Or generic is or cheap.
Or this indoors original?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Are you sure?
They're actually not so bad. They close us really well.
How do you know?
Because this has ocean floor indicator.
Oh,
And this is impossible to do good
Yeah.
because it hits this thing.
4 peso, 325 kilograms.
I hate this falling top doors.
Why? I think these are nice doors. Still better without inner doors, but then it wouldn't have floor indicator.
Does it have safety edges?
What?
You can test it.
Okay.
Inspected by EY inspected, maintained by Otis, or now described this.
I don't think it has here. No. Nope. What is green? How heavy is it? Oh. It's just a thing there. The F stands for French.
That's it.